You have been lied to. Everyone is telling you to learn Python, JavaScript, or Rust. But the most powerful language of 2025 isn't even a programming language, it's prompt engineering. And yeah, this is not a clickbait, it's a paradigm shift. Think about it. We are living in an era where AI can code, write, design, and even think, but only if you know how to talk with it. Prompt engineering is the new literacy. It's like learning to code in the early 2000s, but fast, bigger, and with more money behind it. Let's just rewind. In 1956, AI was just a concept. 2012 led to deep learning blew up the entire AlexNet. 2022 was when ChatGPT took over the entire world. And 2025, we don't need to write the code, we just instruct machines. So prompting is basically now the interface between humans and machine execution. It's like human intention, prompt engineering, and machine execution. You now don't need to know how a neural network works. You just need to know how to speak the right language. At this point of time, top tech firms are hiring prompt engineers or prompt specialists instead of traditional coders. On LinkedIn, if you see the job listings from prompt roles have been increased for over 1000% in the last year. Okay. And companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta have full teams dedicated to prompt optimization. Just to let you know, if you are still debating over what to learn in Python or JavaScript, let me just be clear. The most valuable skill you must build in 2025 is learn to how to talk to machines. Okay. And it's not Python, it's not JavaScript, it's just pure simple English. Okay. Honestly, we didn't know we would come at this phase wherein we would be learning and concentrating more on English because prompt engineering would come into picture. And based on that, my brand new book, Basics of Prompt Engineering, has just dropped. It's really packed with examples, illustrations, frameworks, templates, and secrets I have learned from the process while I have been learning about AI. And whether you are a student, whether you are a founder, or whether you are a creator, I think the book will be a cheat code to the future. The link would be available in the description box below, and I really want you, all of you guys, to grab a copy for yourself and unlock the real language of 2025, which is English. Okay, and yeah, this was it for the video. If you like the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.